Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to put film into a Polaroid camera. So you need this. It's an Instax Mini, and inside you need one of these. And I'm gonna put that back because I already took it out. And this is what the camera looks like. So that's the front of the camera. You can get any colors. I think they have white stuff, but this, so you pull this, and that's where you put the film. I'll be showing you how to put it in later. And this is how you open it. You press this button. I don't know what went flying off it, but... And that's how you take the picture. I have no film in it, so yeah. And if you're inside, you put it on the house. And if it's cloudy, you put it on the cloud. If it's sunny, you put it on the sun. If it's really sunny, you put it on that one if it's really sunny. Wait, what is that one? Okay, so that one's that one. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So when you open it up, there will be a yellow line right there. And I'm going to open up my film. I need scissors. Okay, so I'm going to open up my film. Okay, and the film should look like this. There should be a yellow line. And the yellow line on here, oh bro. The yellow line on here should line up with the yellow. I just need to get this in. You put this in first. Oh yeah. So it should go right in really easily. And then you close it. And then I'm gonna take a picture of this Gatorade water bottle. Okay, I don't know where to stand my camera, but okay, ready? I'll put the camera right in front of it. So you look through here. Okay, well. Okay, and that's what it looks like inside. So that's what I'll be seeing when I take my picture. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so the picture comes out of the... Oh, I forgot. This will come out on your first picture. It's the front, so I'm going to take it again. Okay, and the picture comes out. And you have to let it dry. If you're wondering why it comes out white, it has to dry so the picture comes up. The picture actually comes up. Just have to wait like a minute or two. You can go like this if it dries off easier. Mine's coming up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's coming up. Okay, so that's what mine looks like. You can leave it under light if you want it to dry quicker, because it's not fully dried yet. But I'll take a picture of you guys. Okay, it's not on, so okay. And that's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye!